Okay, we're on Unit 13. We have 2 more units left in this course after this unit, and we're working on that floor plan for the 2-story house. So you will need to download the first floor and second floor interior drawings so that you know the measurements of them. Okay, and then we'll open up Autocad from last unit, Unit 12, and we will pick up where we left off and click on the Model tab. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move up this second story and rotate my floor plan up like this. Move back down my second story. And I'm doing this temporarily because it will be easier to see. This second story sits right here in this area. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to change our current layer to AWOL interior, and let's change the color of that so we can see it better. Kind of a peachy pink. And we will start. So this is the living room area, and the kitchen and dining room is here. The garage and utility room or laundry room, a bathroom, and a guest bedroom here. It would be easier to start. Let's start separating the garage from the rest of the house. So we'll draw a line from this edge to this exterior wall, and we will offset it 6 inches up. Okay. Now the utility room, or the laundry room, is 14 feet this direction, so offset 14 feet. And then 8'1" down. And we can do fillet and trim. Then we can offset 6 inches. And fillet. So as again, remember, when you offset, it offsets the characteristics of its parent. So we will have to match properties here. All right, let's continue on. Let's go for cutting in the doors. So we're going to offset 6 inches for the jamb. So you have a nice 6-inch jamb. You have plenty of room to put trim, and then you don't have that little bitty corner that you have to paint. So we will extend EX here and here, enter this line so that it intersects the wall thickness. Then we'll offset 36 or 3 feet for the door frame, and then we'll trim. So we're going to trim all of this. So where the walls meet other walls. And then in between our door faces. So now we have a way in from the garage into our utility room into the rest of the house. Okay? Alright, so this bathroom that services the first floor is 9'7". So we're going to offset 9'7", then 6, and then the depth. So we're going to start with offsetting 4'1" down, then 6, then 2'6", then 6, and then the depth of that closet for the bedroom is 2 foot. So offset 2 foot, and then 6 for the wall thickness. Okay, so now what we're going to do is do trim, select this wall, and we'll click all those off first. And then we'll notice that this doesn't extend into the bedroom. So what we'll do is fill it. So fill it here, and here, enter, fill it, fill it. Okay. Alright, so the first, in the bathroom, this first little section right here is a linen closet. So we'll offset 2 feet, enter, offset 6 inches for the wall thickness, then offset 3 feet for the toilet area to sit, then 6, offset. Okay, so now we've got a lot of lines here. What we're going to do is first we're going to trim. So we're going to trim these lines out of the closet. And then we're going to use this line and trim what's hanging out in the bathroom here. Then we'll fill it, this line and this line, and we will trim and trim this. So now we need to make sure that we have where these walls intersect into other walls trimmed out. Good CAD practices. I'm going to leave that right now. Now I'll go ahead and trim it. Okay, the opening to the shower, So we'll do a line, offset it 18 inches, erase that middle line, and trim. Then we want to match our properties. Trim this. We'll trim that here in a second. So offset 6, then 3/6, and trim that now. Okay, so then this line extends here, offset 6. We'll draw a line in the middle, offset at 18 for the door. And wherever possible, you want to use 36-inch doors. That's a universal door size a wheelchair can get through. You can move furniture through. So you always want to try to design houses that can accommodate a variety of people. All right. So now we have the closet in the guest bedroom. We will offset 6, extend it, EX, and trim that out. And the door, I believe the door frame, the door is 48 door width, so we'll offset 48. Went on the wrong side. Let's erase that. Sometimes those things happen. We will now trim and match properties. So no time we have our utility room, laundry room, our bathroom, and our guest bedroom. Okay, starting with the kitchen. Here there is a closet for storage and coats. Coat closet, really nice huge closet. So offset, closets are typically 24 inches in depth unless you see otherwise noted. Offset 6, and then we'll offset 8 feet and 6, and then we'll fill it. So fill it here in the outer line, enter, fill it here like that, and then we will take line, offset that 6, and then fill it. And we'll trim it. And match properties. Then we will offset 2'6", do fillet, and trim that. So now we have in the kitchen, the refrigerator will sit here, so we have kind of a wall hiding the side of the refrigerator. Sometimes those things are just not that attractive. So, wow, we've almost got the first floor done. Now we have to do the stairs. So, with the stairs, we are going to draw a line 36 inches. So 3, 6, enter, enter. And we're going to put this on a wall, not a wall, but a floor's stairs. And let's change the color of that as well. We'll go orange. Okay, so first of all, we're going to offset this 12 and erase that. Okay, then we will offset that line 6 foot 0.5. So offset, enter 6 foot 0.5. Offset that 6, then 4 foot, then 6, and then we'll offset offset 3 foot, then 6, and then we'll extend EX these 4 lines and then fill it. We'll just trim that one. Okay. We'll draw a line in the center, offset 18, erase that, and trim between. So we'll match properties. These lines should be on a wall interior. This line should be under the stairs layer. Alright, so our stairs, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to offset 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And we will offset this 12, and we will extend EX this up. We'll do trim, and then we will draw a circle diameter of 1 foot, and we will move that down like so, and then trim. Well, what we'll do is we'll move this down as well so we have a trim edge. Okay. So trim, we're going to window all of this. Click here. No. Okay, trim. Alright, we're going to click here, here, and here, and then we will erase that. So we have that nice little curve that looks really nice on stairs, all done in wood. Alright, okay, for the railing, we're going to draw a line through the midpoint here, like that. We're going to offset 1 inch, then 2 inches, and we will extend that and trim. So we will cut out where you see the stairs. So then we'll draw a rectangle that is at 3,3, enter. Okay. Then we'll offset that 1. All right. And then trim and match properties. So actually, yeah, that's correct. Match properties. So we have a newel post now. All right, excellent. We have the first floor completed. Now, in the second floor, if you'll notice that we can just copy. So edit, or no, not edit, copy, but just copy these areas and we'll copy the stairs as well. And we'll use this as a base point and go up here and use the same base point. Alright, so we have the start of our stairs here. We now have the bedroom, the bathroom, and the office in. Let's erase. Okay. All right, let's trim all this. So trim. Okay. And we'll start by putting in the closet for this office. A nice 7-foot closet. So offset 2 foot, then 6, and then offset 7 foot, then 6. So now we have our walls started for our closet and master bath suite. So we'll trim and then trim again. And then we'll draw a line in the middle, offset 6 inches, not 6 inches, but 36 inches. Okay, for our closet. And then we're going to offset this line 14 feet. So offset 14 feet. Whoops. Offset 14 foot 4. Okay, we're going to erase this part of the stairs. And we will extend EX this line down. Offset it 6 inches. And then we will mirror the stairway. So I just do mirror. I'm going to use this. Drag my cursor down, then Y, enter, and we'll move okay. So I'm going to trim this. There's not that nice rounded corner. So the stairs are 12 feet, so offset 12 feet. And we will move this to here, erase it, extend these lines, and then offset 12 like so. Now we have our stairs, and so we'll finish up the master bedroom. So we will offset 11 foot 4 this wall, extend it down, offset 6, fill it, okay, we'll trim this while we're thinking about it. Match properties. Now this would be still part of the exterior wall, that's why I didn't change it to a wall interior. Let's trim this. Okay, the master bedroom, or excuse me, the master closet is offset 7 foot 11 and a half, so 7 foot 11.5. Then 6, we'll trim this. So we'll need to cut holes for we're going to have pocket doors, so we'll offset 6 here, then 36, extend, EX, trim. Offset 6, we'll do this 6, then 36, extend, EX, and trim. So I'm going to click on all of it, click off the lines that are hanging off in my room, in between the doorways, and then I can just erase those. So now I have the start from my pocket doors. Pocket doors. What you will do, you have to create the pocket. is you will offset, so my door is 36 inches deep. So I'll offset this line right here, 36 inches inside the door, inside the wall. Okay. Then we will draw a line like so. We're going to offset 1 inch that line that we drew in the middle of our wall on each side, 1 inch on each side. And then we will erase this line. Okay? Alright, so starting here at the bedroom door, we're going to click Trim, and we're going to surround all of this, Enter. And starting at the bottom, we're going to click, click. At the top, we're going to fit it. So now we have an opening for the pocket door to slide into, but not go completely in the wall where you then wouldn't be able to pull the door back out. Okay, Trim, Surround, Enter. This is where the wall where the door fits into, so we're going to click here and here. So we now have a barrier, and now we have an opening. Again, an opening and a barrier. And that's all it is then we'll slip a door in that next time when we're working on putting in doors and cabinets and things. Okay, so now we have our interior walls, so let's rotate this floor plan back. So you just kind of have the front door there now when you get down at the bottom, and then we'll just move this down like so. Actually, it would probably look better if we rotated this as well. Makes more sense. Kind of match it up there. Actually, now you can visualize it better. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and label our rooms. So we will change our current layer to ANO room name. Start by going DT. We're going to select an area to type first. We're going to do 12, enter, enter, and then we'll start typing. So garage, and then once we're done typing, then we can go over here and click and do laundry, RY, bath, guest, bedroom, dining room, pantry. So we'll put P, pantry. We'll just put P. Kitchen, you have to spell. Okay, living room, bedroom, office. Put M, dad, bath, closet, and master bedroom. Then hit enter, enter. Okay, notice that this is not cut in for the door, so we're going to offset 6, then 36, and I think a pocket door would look more appropriate there. Yep, we want a pocket door there, so extend and trim. Okay, offset 36. Draw a line in the midpoint. Offset 1 on each side. Erase that. And trim. Select everything. My barrier and my opening. Alright. Okay, let's look at our there we go. Okay, so we will save this. Don't forget to post it on Blackboard so that it can be graded, and we will continue on Unit 14 with putting in some more of the details. Thank you.